I could not find another banana. But I'm sorry, you guys will have to share the bananas with us. Okay? Okay. But it's like 11:50, so you guys better go ahead and talk and be quiet because Dad and I are getting ready to go to bed. Alright, so good night. Good night. Love you. Thank you for sharing your bananas. All gone. Okay, I'm tired. I'm full of bananas now. Okay, me too. Alright, well, what do you guys want to talk about? I don't know, stuff. It's getting dark. What happened to the lights? Why are the lights so dark? No. Oh no, it's really, really dark now. Oh no. It's super, super dark. What are we going to do? I am so scared of the dark. Ugh. No, it's so dark. It's so dark. Why is it so dark? Oh no. Oh. But I'm scared of the dark. Don't worry, Simba. It'll be alright. I have a Minecraft torch. Okay, there we go. The lights are sort of back on now. Everything looks really, really weird, Underdog. Nope, it's okay. It's okay. I'll keep it right here. Or I'll sit near the unicorn's butt. You have a weird girlfriend, Underdog. Yeah, I know she's kind of weird and stuff, but you know how it goes. What? Why am I near the unicorn's butt? That's weird. It's so dark and creepy. I don't know what to do. This blanket smells good. I like the smell of this blanket. It smells so lovely. It smells like blanket because it's blanket. Okay. So what's your favorite TV show, guys? I have no idea. I don't know. What is up with the lights and being weird? Oh no, they're gone. Now they're completely gone. Now they're back on. Now it's gone again. Now it's halfway sort of on. It's weird. The lights. Hopefully Slenderman's not in here. Look, it's like a disco. I had a great sleepover, Underdog. I'm glad you invited us. Yeah, thanks. Oh, I'm glad you guys had a blast. Thank you for the awesome DS and stuff. That's awesome. Thank you guys. I really enjoy it. You know, hopefully we'll have some waffles tomorrow or something. Alright. Good night. Good night.